Hi, I'm Renée Rouleau. Let's talk about skin type 4. Skin type 4 is oily combination, sensitive, occasional breakouts. The symptoms are enlarged pores and produces oil mostly in the T-zone. So if you're somebody that, the T-zone is forehead, nose, chin, you get kind of shiny throughout the day, but really less so out here. In fact, you might even once in a while feel a little drier out there. But if it's contained mostly to the T-zone, then you might be a skin type 4. Next is breakouts from heavy oils or pore-clogging ingredients. If you're somebody that finds that you have to be really careful about what you use on your skin because you can get clogged pores easily and breakouts, then you might be a skin type 4. Skin that may become red and flushes easily, and you're somebody who gets irritated by harsh products. So if you're somebody that has to be really careful because you feel like your skin is really sensitive and you feel like products can irritate you easily, you get red, sometimes you might get rashes from using new products, then you could be a skin type 4. Occasional blemishes and cysts, weekly or monthly. So this is an important identifier of skin type number 4 because it uses the word occasional blemishes, which is different from consistent blemishes, which is in some of our other skin types. Occasional blemishes could be somebody that gets blemishes once a month, maybe even less than once a month, or it could be somebody that gets breakouts maybe twice a month, maybe 3 times a month, maybe 1 a week. But if you're getting more frequent breakouts, then you're probably not a skin type 4. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't go through some periods where you do get a little more breakouts than normal, but on average, you're somebody that can break out once a week, maybe twice a week, but typically a little bit less than that. Skin type 4 is also somebody that gets post-blemish dark marks that linger. So anybody who gets breakouts, regardless of their skin type, will have a dark or red mark left over after a blemish. And of course, we want to address that. And skin type 4 routine definitely does address trying to get those to go away faster. You're also somebody that can get clogged pores and blackheads. Typically, this is going to be more the T-zone because where you are oilier is where you're going to be more likely to get those. But a skin type 4 is prone to blackheads and getting little clogged pores and bumps. You're also somebody that wants to keep the skin healthy and smooth and concerned about aging. So you're somebody that, yes, you want to address breakouts and keep the skin clear, but you're also somebody that is concerned about aging and want to create an environment in the skin where less wrinkles are likely to occur. Typically, the age for skin type 4 is going to be anywhere from the teenage years up to maybe 30, 35 maybe. Typically, breakouts do taper off after 35. That's not to say you still can't get breakouts, but generally those are going to be the years that somebody would be a skin type 4. We sell our skin type kits in 3 different collections. This is the basic. This is 3 products. So if you're somebody that just says, hey, I want to start the Renée Rouleau line, but I don't want to have a lot of products, then the basic kit would be great to start with. Then we have the Essentials collection. This is 6 products. So if you're somebody that you're like, hey, I like to add a few other bells and whistles. I like to use a serum. I want to make sure I kind of have a little bit of a comprehensive routine, but I don't want to use a ton of products, then the Essentials would be really nice. And then we have the Complete. So this is 10 to 12 products for your skin type. This is really good if you really want to dive in. You're somebody that likes to take out time for eye creams or a mask. You like to do a few other things above and beyond a lot of the basics, then this could be for you. When you order one of the skin type kits, you're going to get this great little card, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use the products. I think that's always confusion for people. How do I use it? I have these new products. Am I using it day or night? And we take all of the guesswork out for you and give you this card, so that will be included when you order. If you have additional questions or want to determine your skin type, be sure to take the skin type quiz at reneerouleau.com. And we also can offer a personalized skin consultation with one of our estheticians. It's called My Skin RX, and you can do it via video or over the phone, and it allows one of our estheticians to really make sure that you're in the right skin type so they can help determine the best game plan for your skin so you can be on your way to the Renée Rouleau glow.